What do you fancy printing then? How about a home? Not the plans for one or a model? No, a full-sized house. A construction firm in China has developed a home that can be mass-produced with the help of a giant 3D printer. The Winsun New Materials company uses a mixture of cement and construction waste to build its houses, which cost just around $5,000. And in a country where a standard 100 square metre apartment could cost hundreds of thousands of dollars in big cities such as Beijing and Shanghai, this could be a much cheaper alternative. The walls, structure and base are produced entirely by 3D printing. The windows, furniture, roof and other add-ons are obviously not, at least yet. They've produced a video showing how it all works, but are much cagier about letting reporters into their factory to see it for themselves, saying they don't want to give their trade secrets away. Bosses claim they can build up to 10 complete houses in just one day. The company's been printing homes since February and says customers can also order custom-made homes. Parents about to send their children off to university might want to pay close attention.